Okay guys, here I am. I am at my new house in Florida. Look at it, it's so pretty. It has a huge garage. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's get started. Has these big old bushes. It has this doorbell. Here's our doorbell. Knock, knock, knock. Oh, I live here. I already unlocked the door. As soon as you walk in, there's like this beautiful like mural like down here. I don't know what that's all about, but okay. And now, alrighty, here is our like living room area. Just off of the living room area or whatever this is gonna be, and then look like a little dining room area. Then we come over here to the kitchen. There's a skybox, guys. Skylight. Okay. Fridge. Plain basic fridge, you know. Nothing special. Little counter space. Here's the dishwasher and the stove and microwave. We got a little bit of storage area here in the kitchen. And then here's like another little like dining room area. And then off of the dining room area, we have a garage. And it is so freaking huge, guys. Like, look at this. Just humongous. You can fit like 2 cars in here. I'm gonna put my workout stuff in here because I need to start working out more regularly, and this would be nice. This is a nice little space to go ahead and, you know, get that started for the year. All right, we're gonna go back in. Here is the, I don't know, dining area again, or I don't know what this is gonna be, another living room area? I don't know. Then we go out. Here is the patio. The patio is so big, guys. Like, look at this. Like, they still need to come out here and fix some of these like screens because they're like broke. But the patio is so big, so wide. And we also have a shed, which I am about to show you guys. And here's our little outside area. There's our gate to get back out to the front. There we go. I like these little steps. We're gonna do something to make this grass green because this is not cute. This is like brown grass. They're not cute. It's like dead. So I'm gonna have to show some love to this. I'm gonna become a gardener on the low, you know. Okay, so here we go. Here is the shed. Looks a little rinky-dink from the outside, I ain't gonna lie. So let's see how it's looking on the inside. Can't even get in there. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's really, really rinky-dink. So I don't know what I'm gonna put in this garage. Ooh, can barely even get it open. So I'm gonna clear this out. I'm thinking about making this like a she shed. because why the F not? You know, there's so much potential. Y'all want to see a she shed? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, let's get out of here. That's ghetto. Yeah, that's real ghetto. I'll come to that later. Alright, let's move on. Here's the other side of the house. Back to the gate over there. I really like these little pebble things, so I'm really gonna work my magic back here, so I'm gonna look out for an update. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's go back in. I'm gonna add this really cute like blue patio set that I'm gonna put in here, guys, so just you wait and see how I make this the place to be in the house. All right, so let's go ahead and move to the bedrooms. Here is where my bedroom is gonna be. This is the biggest room here. I like that it has these 2 windows because I love a lot of natural light in my room. Love it, love it, love it. And I can see out in the patio. That's so cool. From inside in my room. I'm gonna have to wipe all these windows down really good. Here is the bathroom. Just regular sink. There I am. Hey, I tell you, I'm gonna love this bathroom. I think we can get some brighter light bulbs. I mean, they're okay now. I like those vanity looking like bulbs like that, but I just want them to be brighter so you can see all my beautifulness. Ow. Okay, and it's so interesting, guys. So as you can see, this is my room, and there's no closet in here. There's no closet in my room. Guess where the closet is, guys? In the bathroom. So this is my closet. Like, this is so weird. I'm just gonna have to get used to this. I mean, it's a decent, like, okay sized closet, but I have so much stuff, so I don't know where I'm gonna put the rest of my stuff. I'm just gonna have to do some more dressers and stuff. But this is my closet. It's in the bathroom for my whole room. Yeah, that's gonna take some getting used to. And then it has a little toilet area here, separate from the tub area and shower. Has a nice little window, so you can have some nice natural light in here, which you guys know I love natural light. So, ooh, pretty. Love it. I'm gonna work my magic in here, make this my white bathroom. I think maybe, we'll see. All right, and let's go to the other bedrooms. I had to hydrate. This is really good. I got this from the airport. Delicioso. All right, let's go. Back to the living room area. Here's the hall closets. Here we go. One of them, the little one. And then this big one, which I'm just like, why is there such a big closet in the middle of like the hallway? I just don't get what that's going to be for, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Here's another room, and this is like my favorite room, guys, because look at these beautiful windows with all this natural light. You don't really need this light right here. Like, it's so pretty. That alone, I mean, it's a little room, but it'll do, right? Here's the little closet. So of course I'm gonna have some of my clothes in this room as well, because I just have so many. But it's a nice little room. This is my favorite. It's gonna be so pretty what I turn this into. Just you wait, guys. Wait and see. All right, back to the hallway. And here is the second bathroom. The main bathroom for everyone else. nice size mirror, which I love. And hello, another little mirror right here on the side. How you doing? And they got the bulbs right there, the nice bulbs. But once again, I'm gonna put some brighter bulbs in there because you can barely see me with these lights. I mean, you can see me good, but I mean, at night, those lights aren't gonna be bright enough for me. So here's the bathroom. Tub. Just a regular tub, you know. Nothing special, but I can do it up, you know, make it look pretty and whatnot. So that's that. And then here is the last bedroom. Boom, boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. It's the littlest room here. But, I got this little closet here. I'm sure some of my clothes are gonna go in here as well. I need to throw away some of my clothes, guys. Like, there's no reason for me to have that much clothes. I need to put them in 3 closets. Okay, so here's this room. Nothing going on here, but that's that. And so yeah, you guys have seen my whole entire house. I love it. I think it's so fabulous. And I can't wait to like decorate it all and give you guys another tour. That's gonna take a little while because I gotta go shopping, and you know, it's during a pandemic, coronavirus, half everything's closed, and I like to go in person and, you know, kind of get stuff, you know, for the household. But I'm gonna have to do a lot of ordering online to get everything that is needed for this house. So boom boom. Yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. I love you, little cocoa beans.